Ringo.
Ha? T-Mix.
Naggalit down to ng teaming si Duan.
Nahuli ka?
Oh, concentrate tol ha. One ball, tol.
Come on!
Concentrate, come on! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go! 9, 10, push! 10, come on! Go! 14, malapit na, kaya pa! Kaya pa! 16, bura, go! 17, kaya pa! 18, go! Push! 19, kaya pa! 20, come on, kaya pa! Push! 21, malapit na sa 23, okay. 20! Oh, tol, interview mo na, tol.
Pupurahin ko yung form.
How do you feel right now?
Your name?
Lightweight! Can do more!
Your name, man?
30 next time!
What's your name, man?
Hey, Ringo Berlin.
Okay, where do you live?
From Pasig!
Eto, sikreto mo na lang to. What's your age?
Now?
Yeah.
40 plus.
Alright. Your weight?
I'm 210.
Okay. What gym you're representing? Alright.
Gym core.
Alright, good. Ito yung zoom. Mas ko naman ako. Tapat ko na.
Pupurahin mo yung apat dyan.
For being the gym core,
Thank you.
200 pounds wall of fame.
There you go. Come on.
Okay, here's your trophy.
Thank you.
Pero makakita ka sa masiwa. 20 na. Totoo ka tol yung tema.
Oh, nanginginig ako.
Okay, date, March 21. On Friday. 2008. 20 reps.
21.
21. Pinawasa ko na isa. Right. Okay, konti na. Dalawa na lang, oh. Okay, Ringo, congratulations.
Thank
Give me
you.
one pose. Right.